Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. In today's episode, we're diving into the world of 3D printing and taking a closer look at the Elegoo Mars 3 Pro, which we believe is the best 3D printer for miniatures available in the market. The Elegoo Mars 3 Pro is a remarkable MSLA 3D printer that offers exceptional features and capabilities. With its 6.6-inch Ultra 4K monochrome LCD screen, it provides a high-resolution printing experience, making it perfect for producing intricate miniatures and detailed models. The Mars 3 Pro boasts a 6.6-inch 4K monochrome LCD screen with a replaceable anti-scratch tempered glass. This combination ensures not only durability but also incredible light transmittance, allowing you to see your model details with utmost clarity. Equipped with a cutting-edge Cobb lens and 36 integrated UV LED lights, the Mars 3 Pro delivers an even beam of 405 nanometers wavelength. This results in a smoother surface finish and impeccable printing quality, making it perfect for miniatures that require fine details. The printer offers a substantial build volume of 143.43 x 89.6 x 175 mm, which is excellent for printing not just one but multiple miniatures in a single job. This not only saves you time but also boosts your productivity. The Mars 3 Pro features non-slip hexagon socket leveling screws and a sandblasted oxide surface build plate for strong adhesion and stable printing. With a PFA release liner that reduces release tension, you can expect a higher success rate in your prints. The built-in active carbon filter effectively absorbs and filters resin odors and fumes, ensuring a fresh printing environment. Copper heat tubes and a powerful cooling fan enhance heat transfer and cooling efficiency, extending the printer's lifespan. The Elegoo Mars 3 Pro is designed for use in the US, so make sure to check compatibility with your region's electrical outlets and voltage. In conclusion, the Elegoo Mars 3 Pro is the best 3D printer for miniatures on the market, thanks to its impressive features and capabilities. If you're a hobbyist, artist, or gamer looking to bring your miniature creations to life with precision and detail, this printer is an excellent choice. That's it for today's review of the Elegoo Mars 3 Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of Product Critique.